Just imagine this, waking up somewhere new every day, with no limits and no fixed plans. Your home moves with you, and everything you need is always within reach. That's the beauty of a motorhome like this. Imagine driving a small motorhome that feels like a luxury home on wheels. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Knaus Live i650 MEG, a compact motorhome that somehow manages to deliver big comfort, smart design, and features you don't usually expect in this size. From the outside, the Knaus Live i650 MEG looks modern, clean, and confidently built. The integrated body design gives it a premium appearance, almost like a much larger luxury motorhome, but without the bulk. The front blends smoothly into the body, improving both style and aerodynamics. Its compact size makes it easy to handle on narrow roads and city streets, while still offering the road presence of a high-end RV. The overall finish feels refined, with smooth lines and a solid structure that gives you confidence for long journeys. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is how open and bright the space feels. The layout is carefully designed to make the motorhome feel larger than it actually is. Large windows allow natural light to flow in, while soft interior lighting creates a warm and relaxing atmosphere at night. Everything is placed with purpose, making movement inside easy and comfortable. It doesn't feel crowded, it feels balanced. The sitting area is smartly positioned at the front, where the driver and passenger seats rotate to become part of the living space. This creates a comfortable lounge where you can sit, relax, eat, or even work. The seating is supportive and well-designed, making it perfect for long conversations or quiet evenings inside. It's simple, but very practical, especially for a compact motorhome. For more motorhomes and RV videos, just subscribe this channel quickly. When it comes to sleeping, this motorhome offers impressive flexibility. At the rear, you get twin beds that are spacious, comfortable, and designed for a restful night. These beds can also be adjusted to create a larger sleeping area if needed. Above the front section, there's a drop-down bed that adds extra sleeping space without taking up room during the day. This makes the motorhome suitable for couples as well as small families or guests. Moving to the kitchen, you'll find a compact yet highly functional setup. It includes a stove for cooking, a sink for washing, and enough counter space for basic meal preparation. The cabinets are neatly arranged, giving you storage for food, utensils, and daily essentials. There's also a fridge to keep your food fresh and drinks cold. It's not oversized, but it's designed for real everyday use on the road. Now let's talk about the bathroom, and this is where things get really interesting. Unlike many small motorhomes, the Knaus Live i650 MEG offers a surprisingly large shower space. You actually have room to move comfortably, which is rare in this category. Along with the shower, you get a toilet and sink in a clean, modern layout. It's practical, easy to use, and gives you full independence wherever you travel. Behind the wheel, the driving experience is smooth and comfortable. The steering feels controlled and easy to handle, even for longer drives. One of the standout features here is the air suspension seats, which absorb road vibrations and make driving much more comfortable. Combined with the 9-speed automatic transmission, this motorhome delivers a relaxed and effortless driving experience, whether you're on highways or smaller roads. Storage is another area where this motorhome performs really well. There are large cabinets inside for your daily essentials, along with smartly designed compartments that help you stay organized. In addition, you get dedicated space for luggage, making it easy to carry everything you need for long trips. Despite its compact size, it doesn't feel limited when it comes to storage. Now let's talk about fuel efficiency, which is an important factor for any motorhome. Because of its smaller size and efficient design, the Knaus Live i650 MEG is more fuel efficient compared to larger motorhomes. It allows you to travel longer distances without frequent fuel stops, making it a practical choice for road trips and long journeys. It's not just about luxury, it's also about smart and efficient travel. So what makes this motorhome stand out? It's the perfect balance. You get the compact size that makes driving easy, combined with features that are usually found in much bigger motorhomes. From a spacious interior and flexible sleeping options to a large shower and smooth driving experience, everything works together to create a complete travel setup. Now I want to hear from you. Would you choose a compact motorhome like this, or would you still prefer something bigger? For more motorhomes and RV videos, just subscribe this channel quickly. And if you had this one right now, where would your first trip be? Let me know in the comments below.